What's happening, traders? What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. This is me from the future. I forgot to make an intro for this video, but this is the follow-up to our last video, the support and resistance placing video, and showing you how to use that to your advantage in your trading. So if you haven't already, check that one out. This is a live trade in oil, so I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Okay guys, jumping onto the charts then, and what we have here is our trade. Now we've already had one nice little trade up here today on the 5 minute. We had a quick one-to-one scalp, which we could have left running actually, but we wanted to get that one-to-one scalp while we were still in bed, which was pretty decent. But what we're going to do now is basically run through why I've taken this trade, and we're going to go to the higher time frames to understand that. So first off, what we do is we're going to draw in our levels. Now I've drawn in some levels today already. Okay, we've got a 4-hour level up here. We've got a 4-hour level here. We actually got a daily level up here as well. We have a daily level here. Obviously this is yesterday's level which was created, and you can see there was resistance here. Then we have a 1-hour level, a 15-minute level, and a 1-hour level. Now we're going to be looking at this 1-hour and 15-minute level mostly. So if we're going to jump down to the time frame I actually took the trade on, which was the 15-minute chart. Now with these lines it gets a little bit confusing, but you can see here we've got the 1-hour level. Now actually if I go to the 1-hour level, you can see that we have clear support on this level. Okay, we have broken through before and price is shot down fairly quickly in this area. So this is an area of interest for me. Obviously if we can break through again, then likely price may shoot down again, like it has done in the past. Now if we go to the 15-minute, we can see that we have our closure level here. Okay, now this is a wick on the 1-hour, but this is a closure on the 15. So this is a 15-minute range between the 1-hour and the 15. So this is going to be our target down to this point, as we break down into below this 1-hour level. Now also to note is that we are in technically a new downward trend. Okay, we've got a new higher high, new higher low, new higher high, and then this closure on 15 minutes made a new lower low, closing below this previous higher low, making a new higher high. So now anticipating price to potentially continue down and push down to this area. Now this 1-hour zone to the left is quite strong as well. As you can see, we've got resistance. We did eventually break through, so I'm anticipating price to potentially want to come down and retest this area, maybe down to this demand zone, or even break through again before pushing back up. Now you can see we're pushing down to a nice little bit of profit now, almost down to our first TP there, with $490 in profit so far. Now I'm getting the setup for this was the price action setup, which is basically a sell off of this price action candle here, which is a range on the lower time frames. We actually broke out of here and our stop was just above, and then targeting on we got two positions here. We're targeting one position down, one contract down to the 15-minute, and 2 contracts down for a 1-to-1 here. Now I'm hoping price can get down a little bit further, take out that first TP, and then we can look for price to continue and bring our stop loss to break even once we've done that. So just having to be patient, and that's the setup, and that's what we're looking for, and we'll see how this goes. Sorry, just jumping back in, I realized I said I had 2 contracts and 1. We actually have 4 contracts on. I've just moved so we got 3 to be taken out on our first TP, which nearly got taken out there with a push. As a little bit of a tease there, but hopefully we can get a bit of volume now and push down into that TP, take that out, and then we can bring our stop to break even. I could technically now bring my stop to break even now. We are so close, but let's see. Hopefully we can get a push down, and if we do get that, I'll come back unless we get that in 3, 2, 1. No. Alright, I'll come back in a sec. Alright guys, so just jumping back in, and we've just taken out our first TP. As you can see, that blue line's gone, which is fantastic. So we're going to bring our stop now to break even, which is actually here for this. This was a contract I actually entered as we pulled back a little bit to give us a second entry to give us a higher profit. So now we're risk free and we'll just let this thing run, and hopefully we can get down to this area. I've got my level, my stop loss just above, sorry, my TP just above the 15-minute zone there, and we'll see what happens. If we get stopped for break even, we get stopped for break even, but we got 3 contracts there, and I think by the end we were actually around about 20 pips or so on those 3 contracts, which is very good. Very good, very good. So yeah, we'll see how this one plays out. But yeah, hopefully we can come down, fill this range, and be yeah, taken out for our final TP. I think, guys, and there we have it. I just got an alert to say we've hit our final TP, smashing through that 15-minute level. Now heading down to that 1 hour level that we spoke about before, which was a heavy resistance, which now looks like it wants to be tested as support. And that was a great trade. So yeah, using these levels to find free-flowing traffic for trades is really important, and you can find levels for your targets as well. So anyway, I'm going to leave this video here. Hope you enjoyed. I did indeed. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. So like and subscribe and all of that. And yeah, anyway, bye.